Tengu mask. The Tengu is a creature from Japanese mythology that is said to have both human and bird features. It is believed that the original figure of Tengu looked like a bird, but as time went by, it evolved into a human, and its beak became its long nose. Tengu is typically depicted with a bright red face, a long nose, pointed ears, huge eyebrows, and wings. Another character of note plays, the Tengu mask is a popular Japanese mask that is often used in Shinto festivals and theater performances. Some people believe that the Tengu mask has the power to protect them from harm and that wearing it will help keep evil spirits at bay. Others believe that the masks are used in ceremonies meant to exorcise demons and evil spirits. Tengu masks are headgear that is often worn by characters in Japanese folklore and mythology. Tengu masks are made from a variety of materials, but the most common is paper. It's an ancient Japanese mask that has the head of a red-faced, long-nosed bird. The mask is often worn by actors and musicians in Buddhist theater performances. These masks cover the entire face except for the eyes, which are often left open. The masks are worn during performances to give actors a more demonic appearance. The Tengu masks are also worn during the New Year celebrations. These paper masks are origami style, which gives them a unique appearance. The story behind Tengu masks: Tengu is a type of mythological creature that is said to live in the mountains and forests. They are often depicted as having long noses and red faces. Legend has it that the Tengu was once humans who turned to evil ways and were transformed into demons. These demons would often take the form of birds, and they were said to be very powerful and dangerous. The Tengu masks are thought to represent these demons, and they are often worn by people who want to scare others or simply look intimidating. In some cases, the masks may also be used to represent good luck or fortune. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more stories like this one, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Got a thought or theory about today's topic? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world's hidden legends. See you in the next video.